Hey, what is up, internet? Welcome back to the channel. So, in this
One eternity later.
video, till then, keep asking, and I'll see you in the next one.
वाई इज़ दैट जब भी मैं फ़ोन से वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ क्वालिटी इतनी गंदी आती है। नया कैमरा ले लूँ क्या? बट इफ़ आई बाय अ न्यू कैमरा तो बहुत स्पेंडिंग होगी। आई हैव टू बाय अ न्यू लेंस, न्यू माइक्रो SD कार्ड, एक्स्ट्रा बैटरीज। बट मेरा बर्थडे भी है। चक इट, आई बाय अ न्यू कैमरा। Okay. So this is actually next day. मैं उस दिन बैटरी चार्ज करके सो गया था. So it's my birthday. It's 10th January. Yes, I share my birthday with Hrithik Roshan. So and I wanted to make this video a little raw, a little non-scripted because honestly most of my videos are scripted. It's not scripted to the word, but yeah, थोड़ा मैं script करता हूँ. So a couple of updates which I want to share with you guys through this video is that number one, I'll now start making more videos in English, so not entirely in English or not entirely in Hindi, but yes, जो भी videos मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा Indian centric है वो मैं थोड़ा English में use करूँगा, and I'll make sure that I use subtitles whenever I use Hindi, so don't worry if you don't know Hindi, but it's just a decision which I wanted to make myself more comfortable in front of the camera. Feel free to comment below with your feedback and what do you think about this decision of mine. And number two is, so I know a lot of YouTubers out there make tech reviews, right? And I am one of those as well, but a lot of those reviews are only opinion which I think is best for me or which I think is best for most of you. सो मुझे लगता है अगर आप एक टेक प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू कर रहे हो, इफ़ यू आर रिव्यूइंग अ टेक प्रोडक्ट, यू शुड ऑल्सो गेट सम इनिशियल इम्प्रेशंस फ्रॉम नॉन टेक सेवी पीपल, एज यू कैन से. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं कोई ट्रू वायरलेस ईयरफोन्स रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ, सो आई विल गिव माई रिव्यू, आई विल गिव माई ओपिनियन टू यू गाइज, बट जस्ट टू बैलेंस थिंग्स आउट आई विल ऑल्सो गेट इनिशियल इम्प्रेशंस फ्रॉम अ बंच ऑफ पीपल एज टू वॉट दे थिंक, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है अ लॉट ऑफ you guys are there who are not into tech and they still want to understand what is good and what is bad. So मेरे opinion के साथ साथ I'll also put an opinion from a non-tech perspective. So yes guys, that was my second update. And yes, coming back to the camera, I've got Canon EOS 200D. It costed me about rupees 45 to 50,000. I got a really good deal from this store called Kumarji. Shout out to them, and I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to go check that out. It's here in Gurgaon on MG Road, and I think it's one of the best stores if you want to buy anything camera related in Delhi NCR. So that is it. Let me know in the comment section below if you need a review of this camera. ऑनेस्टली मैंने ज़्यादा DSLR अपनी लाइफ में यूज़ नहीं किया है, सो इट कैन टेक टाइम जो मुझे लगता है, बट इट विल बी अ रॉ Canon EOS 200D review from someone who is just starting to learn filmmaking or who's just starting to learn how to shoot videos from a DSLR. But yeah, one thing I want to point out here is that you don't need a DSLR or you don't need a camera worth rupees 50,000 to create YouTube videos. I started off making YouTube videos from my OnePlus 3T, and it's been almost 1 year, I think just 14 months to be exact, and I have been pretty satisfied with all the videos that phone or my next phone, that is OnePlus 6T, has captured. So you don't need to buy a heavy equipment to start making YouTube videos. I bought it because I could, and I am actually very excited to learn after this as to how to use a DSLR and how to make films using a DSLR. So मेरा reason वो था, I was, and also मेरा बर्थडे भी था, मतलब बर्थडे गिफ्ट तो दे ही सकते हैं, वो भी रीज़न है, और बोनस भी आया था जहाँ मैं काम करता हूँ, तो मेरे पास थोड़े पैसे भी आ गए थे. बट नेवर माइंड, इफ़ यू आर समवन who wants to start a YouTube channel, I would say just start with what you have. I think it's perfect. The content you make is more important than the equipment you make it from. So yes guys, I wanted to share this quick video with you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a specific video on a specific topic. I'll try to make that video for sure. I'll try my best, in fact. And make sure you hit that subscribe button to subscribe to TQNet, and especially hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. So till then, keep asking. And I'm not sure अगर आपको पता है कि मैं क्यों बोलता हूँ keep asking, because TQNet का tagline है technology you ask. So keep asking, and I'll see you in the next one.